Oh no, AI is taking all of the jobs. What job will I get once I graduate from college? Oh dear, what am I gonna do? Wait, don't panic. As an expert in the field of AI with over a decade of experience, I can tell you that everything that you hear is not true. And if you or a loved one is going through this stress that AI is taking all of the jobs, humans are going to get replaced by bots pretty soon, and that's the reason why all of the recent layoffs are happening, that is not really true. This is AI with Sohini breaking down a very important post by Andrew Ng that was made this week in February 2026, really breaking it down why there have been layoffs and what AI investments truly mean for companies. If this is of interest to you, please give this like, share, and subscribe and follow for more. So this post by Andrew Ng mentions that the current layoffs in a lot of countries has a lot of folks panicked because they are seeing on one side that the companies are mentioning they are doubling down on AI investments, followed by several layoffs, and it's sort of a correlation causation loop. But here's me breaking down, one is not causing the other. Resonated with me the most is the second paragraph where he mentions AI still is completely riddled with hallucinations and inaccuracies. So the reliability is not as high as you would have for a human employee or for a human skill. So let's say that you have a financial advisor who looks at stocks and tells you the trends and patterns. On the same side, if you use an LLM, for some situations it might do a good job, but when you're looking at thousands and thousands of stock trading on a particular day, it may so happen that a few of them may have very similar confidence scores. So in one run, you will see your confidence higher for one company, and in the second run you will see another company popping up. That's the one reason why most of the agentic methods come under deep scrutiny whenever they are looking at bulk screening jobs, or if it is a bulk job of seat allocations and ticketing. That's also one area where across different runs you will see errors happening. You still need to have a human in the loop in order to reliably get you an outcome that is of interest to you. Third paragraph here also mentions that AI is not going to replace workers, because AI coding tools, of course, that they have made humans much more efficient. You can use Claude, you can use Gemini, you can use a lot of other command line interfaces in order to just say what you want to do and the code gets generated. However, deep testing, all of this requires human skill. In the same breath, Andrew does mention that the current layoffs are much more correlated with overhiring and the bubble that had become around AI. So the overhiring right at the end of the pandemic was the reason why there was more brains in seats than that was required. And right now, it is just a course correction for the overhiring that had happened the post-pandemic. In conclusion, AI is not replacing humans in the job field, and it is not going to do that in 2026 either. The only thing we need to do is to be updated with all of the tooling, is also to be capable of coding and debugging, and to ensure that our skill as human does not go down, but it actually gets supplemented with these AI agentic tools. Only then will we be able to enhance the current quality of AI and also keep up with it. So don't fear AI, but embrace it. The only situation in which folks might fear AI is if they are not using AI. Are you doing it right? Follow for more.